If you're learning woodworking at home and you're relying on YouTube or books in order to teach you what you need to know, the problem with sharpening is, how do you know when you've got it sharp enough? Well, what we're going to do is provide you with a benchmark. So we have blades that we have prepared. Now these are designed to fit any of the WoodRiver planes or Lie-Nielsen's. They will not fit a Stanley, they're too thick. We offer two sizes, the 2" and the 2 3/8. So the 2 3/8 will fit your 4.5, your 5.5, your 6 or your 7, and the 2" will fit your 4 or your 5. What we do is we separate the blade from the chip breaker, and we go in and we prepare the back of the chip breaker so when it mates on the back of the blade, it mates perfectly. Then we take the blade and we do the Charlesworth ruler trick on the back. We do the 2 micro bevels, the tertiary, the secondary and the tertiary. We test it to make sure it works exactly as it should. We put a light coat of oil on it, and when it comes to you, it's going to come like this. The chip breaker is going to be pulled way back here because we include this edge saver. This is a sleeve, but it'll only fit the blade. That's why we have to pull the chip breaker back. It's a great way, and don't put your hand out on the end, it's a great way to protect your cutting edge. It's an even better way for us to ship it to you. It'll come like that. Now when you put it into your plane, you've got to move that chip breaker, move it up to within about a 32nd of an inch of the edge. What this will do is it will give you that benchmark that you're missing. This is what sharp is. Now you know what you have to get to. Hope this helps.